We are on a popular South Ockendon test route for the Hornchurch Test Centre. Turning right onto North Road. ALFIE'S Driving School offers expert driving lessons in South Ockendon with both manual and automatic drive instructors. Whether you are a complete beginner wanting to learn to drive in South Ockendon or you just need some refresher lessons, we have you covered. At the roundabout, we're going to turn right going towards South Ockendon Station. Checking our mirrors, indicating right in good time. Slowing down in good time, looking nice and early to the right, safe to go. Ahead we've got a pedestrian crossing. You typically get a pedestrian crossing just before and just after a roundabout. Up ahead we've got South Ockendon Station to our left. We're going to take our next left turn. Checking our mirrors, indicating left in good time. Just be cautious when you turn left, sometimes there might be a pedestrian waiting to cross. It is their priority, so we do have to give way to them. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in South Ockendon with ALFIE'S Driving School today. Our slots fill up fast, so get in touch to secure your driving instructor.